Ever get the feeling airports are quietly playing games with us? It's like stepping onto a giant, invisible game board. From the moment you step inside and those automatic doors slide open, every detail is designed to make you spend more. From the strategically placed shops to the enticing aromas wafting from the food court. Wait longer, often in uncomfortable seating, and feel just a bit out of control. You're at their mercy, aren't you? It's not a coincidence. Airports and airlines have a playbook, a carefully crafted strategy, and we're the ones paying the price, literally. But today we're flipping the script. We're taking back the power. I'm exposing 15 of their biggest secrets. The ones they don't want you to know, the hidden tricks they hope you never figure out. The subtle manipulations designed to guide your every move. These aren't your typical travel hacks. The kind you find with a quick online search. These are the counter moves that put you back in charge. Strategies to navigate the airport like a pro. We're talking about skipping lines for free, bypassing the chaos and heading straight to your gate, dodging hidden fees, those sneaky charges that airlines love to tack on, and even turning their own psychological tricks against them, using their tactics to your advantage. This video is your new rulebook for beating the chaos of modern travel, your guide to a smoother, smarter journey. It's not just about saving money, it's about reclaiming your sanity and making your journey enjoyable. Turning travel from a chore into a pleasure. Stick around, trick number 15 will shock you. It's something you've probably never considered. It's about the seat in front of you and why it's the worst place to put your bag. Trust me on this one. Are you ready to beat the system? To become an airport ninja? Let's uncover what they're hiding. Let's pull back the curtain and expose the truth. You've just landed, you grab your bags from baggage claim and instinctively check Uber or Lyft on your phone, ready to head to your destination. The convenience is tempting, isn't it? But wait, why is it so expensive? That price seems unusually high. It's no accident. Airports slap huge surcharges on rideshares, adding a hefty premium to your fare. They know they've got you where they want you. They're fully aware that you're a captive audience, tired from your flight and eager to get to your hotel or meeting. But here's the secret, a savvy traveler's hack to bypass those inflated prices. Look for the hotel shuttles sign. It's often tucked away, but it's your ticket to savings. Most major hotels run free shuttles to and from the airport, a service designed for their guests, but you don't always need to be a guest to hop on. That's right, you can often take advantage of this free ride. Ride to the hotel, pick one that's relatively close to your final destination. Then once you're at the hotel, order your Uber or Lyft from there. Suddenly, no airport surcharge, resulting in a much cheaper fare. You get a free, comfortable ride away from the terminal chaos, a moment of peace, and save money in the process. It's a simple move, almost ridiculously so, but incredibly effective in cutting down your travel costs. While others are stuck paying extra for the convenience of an immediate ride, you're already on your way, feeling smug about your travel savvy. You've saved enough for a coffee, a meal, or maybe even a small souvenir. It takes a few extra minutes, yes, but the savings are absolutely worth it, especially on longer trips. Remember this trick? File it away in your mental travel guide. It's your first step to becoming a master traveler, a true ninja of the airport. Dreading the security line? Most think you need to pay for TSA pre-check or clear, but there's a secret. Many airports now offer free security reservations. Go to the airport's website, reserve a time slot, and get a QR code. When you arrive, skip the main line and head to the special lane for reservations. You'll breeze through security, right next to the paid VIPs. Most travelers have no idea this exists. It's a game changer, especially during peak times. Just Google your airport plus security reservation before your next flight. You might be shocked to find this hidden perk waiting for you. No reservation? Faced with a wall of security lines, most people drift right. It's human nature. But here's the hack. Always check the leftmost lane. It's usually shorter and moves faster because everyone else subconsciously heads right. I've tested this worldwide. It works. You'll save 10, 15, even 20 minutes just by being unpredictable. This applies to security, customs, even check-in counters. Outsmart the crowd with this simple move. Next time, resist the urge to go right. You're not just picking a line, you're beating the system. It's one of the easiest wins at the airport. Trusting airlines to track your luggage? Not a good idea. Their systems are outdated and vague. For less than a checked bag fee, get an Apple AirTag or Samsung SmartTag. Toss it in your suitcase and track your bag in real time from your phone. If your bag is lost, you can show the baggage agent exactly where it is. It's peace of mind and a powerful tool if things go wrong. Don't rely on airline systems. invest in your own tracker. It's the best tech for stress-free travel. Airports are designed to manipulate you into spending. Notice the plush carpet after security? It slows you down, making you more likely to browse and buy. The winding duty-free path maximizes your exposure to products. Lighting and even scents are engineered to relax you and encourage spending. The trick? Awareness. Once you see the matrix, you can walk through with purpose and keep your money in your pocket. Recognize the psychological nudges for what they are. You're no longer a player in their game, you know the rules. Your suitcase wheels are covered in bacteria from airports, streets, and restrooms. Don't roll them straight into your home. As soon as you get back, stop at the door. Wipe down the wheels and wheel wells with disinfectant. It takes less than a minute and keeps your home clean. This isn't being a germaphobe, it's just smart. Make it a habit after every trip. Your floors and your immune system will thank you. Duty-free shops promise big savings, but it's often a rip-off. Duty-free just means no import taxes for the store, not necessarily for you. Many products are marked up so much that you pay more than at home or online. Before buying, pull out your phone and compare prices. 9 times out of 10, the deal isn't a deal at all. Only rare exceptions, like some liquor or tobacco, might be worth it, but always check. Don't fall for the marketing hype. A quick price check saves you from a classic tourist trap. Sleeping on a plane is tough. Cramped seats, noise, dry air, skip prescription pills and flimsy airline pillows. Try this combo: valerian root, a natural sedative, check with your doctor first, and ASMR audio. Download relaxing ASMR sounds to your phone and use noise-canceling headphones. Valerian calms your body, ASMR calms your mind. You'll tune out distractions and actually rest. Land refreshed, not like a zombie. It's the best way to sleep in the sky. Still putting your home address on your luggage tag? Stop. You're advertising to everyone that your house is empty. Thieves can easily spot your address and know you're away. Airlines rarely use the tag to return lost bags. They'll call or email you. Just put your name, email, and cell number on the tag. No home address. For extra security, use a work address or P.O. box. Protect your home, don't advertise it's empty. Afternoon flights sound convenient, but they're a gamble. The later you fly, the more likely you'll face delays and cancellations. The ripple effect. Book the first flight of the morning. Early flights start with a clean slate. The plane's already there, the crew is fresh, and airspace is less crowded. You'll almost always depart on time and avoid turbulence. Arrive earlier, less stressed, and with the whole day ahead. It's the single best way to ensure a smooth trip. Beat the system, fly early. Airline apps promise real-time updates, but they're often the last to know about changes. Their info can lag by minutes, or even an hour. Use third-party flight tracking apps like FlightAware or FlightRadar24. These pull data directly from air traffic control in the aircraft. You'll get gate changes and delays before the airline even updates their app. That head start can mean the difference between a calm walk and a frantic sprint. Trust third-party apps for the real story. You'll always be a step ahead. Airlines want you to panic about overhead bin space so everyone rushes to board, but boarding early just means sitting cramped for longer. Wait until the final boarding call. Walk on with no line, no stress, and almost always find bin space. If not, your bag gets gate checked for free. You've traded a tiny inconvenience for 45 minutes of extra freedom. Don't fall for bin panic. Board last and win back your time. It's the ultimate boarding hack. Airport currency exchange booths are a trap. Terrible rates, hidden fees. They prey on tired travelers who need cash fast. Walk right past them. Use a travel-friendly debit card at a legitimate bank ATM for the best rates. Avoid generic ATMs with high fees. Get a card with no foreign transaction fees before you travel. You'll save a fortune over the airport exchange counter. Don't let them take a cut of your money. Think airport lounges are just for the elite? Think again. You can often buy a day pass for less than you'd spend on food and drinks in the terminal. Lounges offer comfortable seating, fast Wi-Fi, and unlimited food and drinks. Check apps like Lounge Buddy or see if your credit card offers free visits. A lounge pass can turn a miserable layover into a relaxing experience. Do the math. One pass often pays for itself. Don't waste money in the terminal. The lounge is the ultimate airport hack. Flight attendants, as part of their pre-flight routine, will often tell you to put your bag under the seat in front of you. It's a common instruction repeated on countless flights every single day. But seriously, don't. That space is unbelievably filthy, rarely cleaned thoroughly between flights and absolutely teeming with germs and bacteria. It's a breeding ground for all sorts of unpleasantness. Worse still, it's also a prime target for theft. Opportunistic thieves know this. Because your bag is conveniently out of sight, tucked away where you can't keep an eye on it. And it's incredibly easy to access for anyone nearby with less than honest intentions. Instead, consider using a small pouch or bag for your in-flight essentials, keeping it right there at your seat. Keep your main bag safely stowed in the overhead bin above you, where it's more secure. Or, if it's small enough, keep it on your lap for the duration of the flight. And absolutely never put valuables directly on the floor. Protect both your health and your valuable belongings by being mindful of where you place them. Ignore the standard instruction about underseat storage. And keep your bag safe and secure throughout your flight. It's a simple change in habit that can prevent a potential travel nightmare. Don't let a moment of convenience end up costing you dearly. There you have it, 15 hidden flight tricks airlines and airports don't want you to know. You're now equipped to dodge fees, skip lines, and protect your health and valuables. This is a new mindset. See the system, make conscious choices, and take control. The airport is now your game to win. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more insider travel hacks. Let me know your favorite travel trick in the comments. I read everyone. Let's build the ultimate travel hack community together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the gate.